How to choose the right custom sun window shades for your space. When it comes to selecting the perfect custom sun window shades for your home or office in Ontario, Canada, there are several factors to consider. Firstly, it's essential to assess the specific needs and requirements of your space, taking into account factors such as the size and shape of your windows, the desired level of light control, and the overall aesthetic you wish to achieve. One important consideration is the material of the shades. Popular options include fabric-based shades, which offer a softer and more textured look, and roller shades, which are known for their sleek and modern appearance. Each material has its own unique advantages, so it's important to carefully evaluate your preferences and the specific needs of your space. Another crucial factor is the level of light control you require. Some custom sun window shades are designed to provide complete blackout capabilities, while others offer more subtle light filtering. Depending on the purpose of the room and your personal preferences, you may opt for shades that offer a range of light control options, allowing you to adjust the ambiance as needed. Finally, the aesthetic appeal of your custom sun window shades should not be overlooked. From classic and timeless designs to contemporary and bold patterns, there is a wide array of options to choose from. Consider the overall style of your home or office and select shades that seamlessly complement the existing decor, creating a cohesive and visually stunning look. Custom sun window shades for homes in Ontario, Canada. When it comes to transforming the look and functionality of your home in Ontario, Canada, custom sun window shades can be a game changer. These versatile window treatments can be tailored to suit the unique needs and preferences of each room, ensuring that your living spaces are both visually appealing and optimally functional. In the living room, for example, custom sun window shades can help create a cozy and inviting atmosphere by controlling the amount of natural light that enters the space. Opt for shades that offer a soft and diffused light, creating a warm and welcoming ambiance that encourages relaxation and conversation. In the bedroom, custom sun window shades can be instrumental in creating a restful and rejuvenating environment. By blocking out unwanted light, these shades can help you achieve the perfect sleep conditions, ensuring a good night's rest and improved overall well-being. For the home office or study, custom sun window shades can play a crucial role in enhancing productivity and focus. By reducing glare and controlling the level of natural light, these shades can help create a distraction-free workspace, allowing you to concentrate on your tasks without straining your eyes. Regardless of the room, custom sun window shades can be tailored to meet your specific needs, whether it's maximizing natural light, maintaining privacy, or simply elevating the overall aesthetic of your home. Custom sun window shades for offices in Ontario, Canada. In the fast-paced world of business, the importance of creating a productive and comfortable work environment cannot be overstated. Custom sun window shades can be a game-changer for offices in Ontario, Canada, offering a range of benefits that can positively impact both employee well-being and overall business performance. One of the primary advantages of custom sun window shades in an office setting is their ability to control the level of natural light. By precisely adjusting the amount of sunlight entering the space, these shades can help reduce glare on computer screens, minimizing eye strain and headaches for employees. This, in turn, can lead to improved focus, increased productivity, and a more comfortable work environment. Moreover, custom sun window shades can play a crucial role in regulating the temperature of the office. During the summer months, these shades can block out the sun's heat, reducing the need for air conditioning and contributing to energy savings. Conversely, in the winter, they can help retain heat, keeping the office warm and cozy while reducing heating costs. Beyond their functional benefits, custom sun window shades can also enhance the overall aesthetic of the office space. By carefully selecting shades that complement the existing decor and branding, you can create a professional and visually appealing work environment that reflects the values and image of your business. Whether you're looking to improve employee well-being, boost productivity, or simply elevate the visual appeal of your office, custom sun window shades can be a transformative solution for your space in Ontario, Canada. Call us today at 416-571-3315 or visit diamondcustomshutters.ca to schedule your free consultation and take the initial step towards a more energy-efficient, cozier, and visually stunning environment. Please like, share and subscribe.